Just wanna see the light.
Hello again, welcome back to complete game development course using Unity. And in this video we are going to modify some of the code, make it look better and effective. We will also modify our guess variable and make it work completely. And at last we will also fix the bug on our guess variable. Now let's look on our code. And let me remind you what's going on while pressing up arrow and down arrow. Here in this video we are going to calculate guess by adding minimum plus maximum and dividing by 2. So we are going to check user input on update method, and when the user press up arrow, the minimum will be the guess because the first time our guess is 500 and user press up arrow because his guess is higher than 500, so the minimum will be now 500. By the same way, if user press down arrow, his guess is minimum then 500, so the maximum will be the guess because 500 is a guess for the first time. Now we will calculate the actual guess for the up arrow. Guess equal to minimum plus maximum by 2. And for the down arrow also we will do the same. Now save and jump back to Unity and check what's going on. Hit on play icon. Now when I press up arrow up, it go up to 999 only, but our maximum is 1000. So here is the little bug. We are going to fix it now. And when I press down arrow, down, it goes up to 1. And our minimum is 1. Again jump back to Visual Studio. Now we will add the maximum value by 1. So max equal to max plus 1. Again jump back to Unity. Hit the play icon, and when I press up arrow, it go up to 1000. That's it. Okay, now jump back to Visual Studio, and we are going to add the statement on start method. Debug.log. Is your number is higher or lower than guess? We will also modify this line. Up equal to higher, down equal to lower, and enter equal to correct. Now we don't need to print debug.log twice here, so I will modify this statement. Debug.log, is your number higher or lower than guess? Do the same for the down arrow. Now for enter, I got your number. Okay, it's done. Now save and close Visual Studio. Hit play and check what's going on. Up, up, down, down. Fine, it's working. Nicely done, guys. We'll meet you in the next lecture.